Universal vehicle backup camera. Built-in night vision. Easy installation. Waterproof and weatherproof. Wide visual angle. Top reviews from the United States. So far works great for a LQ Horsetrailer. Hook the camera yellow, video signal, goes to 2.4 grams send unit yellow, power, black, wire harness, then tie the camera and send unit reds together, crimp and hook to hot, 12V. That will be either on when you need to see something. For us it was the lights at the top of the trailer since we needed it on whenever the pickup was running, driving, pulling something, or the backup light so it only goes on when that light is activated. Then tie your black wires together, crimp and to your ground. Done and done. Nice little camea system. No distortion or other issues with jumpiness when motor running or pulling. Secured so it doesn't shake. Crisp clear pictures with nice color and sharpness. The good monitor helps with adjustments there, including reversing the picture so it looks like what you see when you turn your head to back up or look behind. Works very well so far. 4 stars due to failure of real instructions. Geez, how hard is it to have at least one of your flunkies at the manufacturer write a paragraph blurb about this wire to that wire, duh.